that's going to be our next but one display item. And as we saw the Wildcat taxiing back a little while ago to the crosswind in strong switch, so same is true of the Western Rise Pack. But now in front of us, the Bristol Blenheim 1F. And here again we turn to a type so much in service with the RAF of 1940. And in which a great deal of hope had been in. It was at the very cutting edge of RAF aircraft performance, certainly as far as a twin-engine type was concerned, and so potential was seen in it as a new light bomber. Involved Blenheims. On the 4th of September 1940 at Wilhelmshaven, it was Bomber Command's first raid of the war. The losses were dreadful, and to some extent that set the tone. That was simply because the pace of fighter development had told against the Blenheim, and it was now highly vulnerable in combat. But the efforts of their crews almost beg a belief in those circumstances. And the Far East, Blenheims fought gallantly. RAF go back on the offensive once the Battle of Britain had been successfully won in 1940. But now getting airborne another great multi-engined Duxford favourite, the Boeing B-17G Flying Fortress named Sally B. Fighter Aviation Engineering Spitfire 14, which has been off to display elsewhere and is now returning to us after completion of that.